Hi ladies, and welcome to Cello's Beauty Bar Wednesday. The product that I'm going to show you today is the Tousled Hair Mist. This is a styling product that promises to protect your hair against thinning. It also has Capixyl, which causes growth. And finally, it's got sugarcane alcohol. Even the alcohol in our products is natural. So I'm going to tell you 2 ways that you could use this product. The gals that have the long beach waves, this is a great product. When you get out of the shower and towel dry your hair, you spray this on your hair all the way around. Remember, less is more. And after you're done spraying it, you grab your hair and braid it down one side and down the other and pin it in the back. Go to sleep. Next morning you wake up, your hair is dry, and guess what? When you take it down, you got all the beach waves you've ever dreamed of. And secondly, for those of you that like to wear the bombshell hairdo, which is full and round and crazy, this is the product for you as well. So this product you spray on again on your damp hair after you towel dry, and then if you curl it, you can curl it. If you blow it out big, you can do that too. And you can also respray it on later to add more wave and height. So if you want to know more about this fantastic styling product and how it works, feel free to reach me. I give free consultations and I will send you products right to your door. And remember that all our products are safe for all hair types. So thank you very much for listening, and I'll see you all next Wednesday. And remember what I always say, stay gorgeous, my friends.